Okay, so just got my packaging for my good old friends from Chinamarket town. Shouts out to my boy V for looking out. Dang, V. It's sealed in pretty tight. Let's see what we got in this package. Excuse the crusty feet. Okay. So to start off, we got this guy right here. Let's see what we got. Oh yes. Been waiting on these bad boys right here. The Suede Chinamarket collab. We'll do a more in-depth review. This is just an unboxing. Let's see what else I got here. Oh, this one's wrapped up. What we got in here? Got the Velcro form strips. Let's see what we got up in here. Oh yes. That material is so nice, this leather. Sampson's Chinamarket Town collab. We'll do another review on that. See what else we got here. Got a bunch of t-shirts. Got a bunch of t-shirts. Let's see what t-shirts we got right here. Okay. A little gold mouth t-shirt here. Oh, we got another Chinamarket Town t-shirt right here. I think this is what V sent for my daughter. Another Chinatown. This is for my daughter. And here's a large one, extra large. That's mine. Appreciate it, V. And then I think this one is mine too. Yeah, extra large. This is mine. So that's just the unboxing from the good old people from Chinatown Market. Hooked me up, my boy V hooked me up. Me and my daughter got some t-shirts. Some suedes. And some Sampsons. So just stay tuned for the actual review that we'll do on all of these. Alright, Sneakers in the Fox TV. It's late out here. It's like 3 something. So I'm out. Peace.